Hi everyone, I'm Sabi. In this video I'm going to show you how to make the filters nicer on your dashboard. If you add the filter to a dashboard, it's gonna look like this one. I wouldn't say it's very nice. With some tricks, you can make your filters nicer and more usable. I'll show you these tricks right now. I go to a new dashboard and I do it from scratch. Here I have listed all the steps so you can easily relate. Step 1, I go to the dashboard submenu and I add vertical container to the view. It's done. I adjust the width a bit, 200. Step 1 is done. Step 2, place your filters in this vertical container. I go to one of the views, I go to the options, and then I add one of the filters, for example, country. Step 2 is done. Then comes step 3. I click on the filter, I click on the options. You can choose here multiple value dropdown or multiple value custom list. I pick up the dropdown this case. And what I always prefer, if you have this filter, after every click, the view changes. If you don't like it, you can click on the option and customize, and you can add the show apply button. With the show apply button, you can set the filters first and then apply them. I find it very, very practical. So, step 3 is done. Then comes step 4. Add a horizontal container to the view. I grab this horizontal container and I add it to the view. It's gonna be very big, but no worries, we are going to adjust it anyway. Then I place a text container into this horizontal container and I name it after the filter country. Very nice. Then I move the filter. As it is a horizontal container, I can move it next to the text container. In this horizontal container, you can see these shades here. I grab it and I move it here. Oops, I do it once more. Okay, very good. Then what I can do, I can adjust the width of the text container. I've already named it. And last but not least, right click on the filter and I can remove the title. So untick the title and your nice, well-designed, user-friendly filter is ready. Thank you for your attention. This was the short summary how to make the filters nicer on your dashboard. Bye bye.